going to show you how you can create a clone of your voice using 11 Labs. First of all, you sign up into 11 Labs, or you log in if you've already signed up in the past. And then before this, please, I need you to note that there are two ways you can do it, or there are two things you need. You need to have a record of your voice, like you saying something you've pre-recorded, or you can also record directly. When you get into this dashboard, you click on clone your voice. This is where you can make the magic happen. And you have three options here. You can design an entirely new voice from a text prompt. You can clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. You can create a very realistic voice clone. This one would require you uploading at least 30 minutes of clean audio. That's you speaking for 30 minutes straight. This one is used when you want to get an extra realistic clone of your voice. Then you can also remix voices to create a new voice. These are the options. You can try any of these in your spare time. So what we want to pick is instant voice clone. And according to the timer here, it takes less than 2 minutes. So remember when I said you have two options. You can either upload a pre-recorded voice, or you record your audio directly. And here are the things they expect from you. Do not record in a noisy environment. You should check your microphone quality, and don't change recording equipment between samples so you don't get different voices. So I'm just going to upload a pre-recorded voice. So I've uploaded that pre-recorded voice. This is it. And the voice is 3 minutes, 13 seconds long. Perfect. You know, they said they wanted 10 seconds, but I give them more than 10 seconds. I'm just going to click on next, and 11 Labs is going to take us into the next step. So this is something you can try, and the reason why this is helpful is because it's going to save you stress. Imagine having to talk every time. Imagine having to record something every time. But with this voice clone, you would be able to do this without any stress. So you can preview the voice.
Fresh ideas are like vegetables, nourishing the world with their vibrant flavors.
Now, the reason why this voice is like this is because I recorded this audio for an energetic sounding jingle. It was supposed to be really, really energetic. You know, my voice now sounds different from this voice here. This is still my voice, but I recorded it in a very energetic tone. That's why it's like that. So I can just name this the RIRAH Energy. So let's do this. And by the way, I also offer AI voiceover services. Yes. So if you're a brand that ever comes across this video and you need voiceover services, of course, I'm teaching you how you can do this. But if you feel it's too much stress for you, you can reach out to me and my team. Let's take the stress off you. Now, these voiceover services would help you in your audio narration, in your commercials, in your videos. You understand, right? So reach out to us. Then you can label it. You can pick the value. It's English language, of course. Now you have different labels here. You have to select the accent. So I'm going to be picking Nigerian. Then the next one is gender. I'm going to be picking female. And once you can then for the description, I'm going to say energetic African female hype voice. So you save the voice. And step 1, upload audio. Step 2, voice information. Step 3, finish up. So after you're done, you can now try out your voice clone. You can either generate a speech or speak with yourself by creating an agent, or you can narrate a story using Studio. If you don't want any of this, you can just skip. If you want any of that, you can just select. And let's say you select generate speech, for example. It takes you into this next dashboard where you can see, okay, once you are here, you see the different voices 11 Labs has. You see this one, my voices. These are the voices I had cloned, or yes, these are my voices from the past. You can also explore, but what we are doing here is to use our voices, right? So you can select this if you want to make use of this.
Fresh ideas are like vegetables.
That's a preview of the voice. Let me reduce this.
Nourishing the world with their
So once you're done, you paste your text here. If you're working with a script, you paste your script here and then you click on generate speech. And that's exactly how you can clone your voice on 11 Labs and then create top-notch voiceovers. You understand, right? And this is a paid account of 11 Labs. I don't know if you'd be able to do this on the free version. You should be able to, but I think there's going to be limitations. But like I'd always tell you, when you get to a point where you're beginning to earn from AI content, it's best you invest in paid tools. They tend to save you a lot of time and energy, and you tend to see your creativity unleashed with these tools. And if you really want to try out voiceover services, I'd recommend 11 Labs any day, anytime. So thank you so much for watching. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and leave a comment in the comment section. Bye bye.